Welcome back to another video, guys. And you'll never guess what I just got in the mail. My new MacBook Pro. I've been waiting on this for like 2 weeks now. And yeah, I thought I would do a cool unboxing. Oh, by the way, this is the old one. This is the 2016 Intel based, late 2016 Intel based MacBook Pro. This is the one where they recalled, this is before they recalled the butterfly effect keyboard. So it's not like the updated one that they released, like I think the following month later. I forgot what happened to all that, but yeah, this is not the recalled model or whatever, the fixed model of the keyboard, but this is the Intel 2016 one, 256 gig. I just got this one in the mail, this bad boy, the 14-inch MacBook Pro. And this is the space gray, 8 gigabytes, 512 gigabyte, 8 gigabytes of RAM, 14 inches, M3. And yeah, I just want to do a quick unboxing of this real quick. Pull out the tabs. Super satisfying. Okay, now that I got the tabs off, let's lift the box. This is a really thick box. What the heck? There it is. Oh my god. Do you guys see how thick this is? Probably like protects it during shipping, but it did come in a brown box from DHL. All the way from China. Yeah, all the way from China. And ooh, that is nice. Oh, it's got a little heft to it compared to my. Oh yeah, you can feel the difference. Actually, this might be a little bit heavier. Holy. This might be like half a pound heavier, just because of the extra ports and stuff. Look at that. What the heck? Oh, this is mad. HDMI and SD card slot. MagSafe charging. Audio jack, 3.5 millimeter, I believe. 2 USB ports. No hard disk drive. Just kidding. Ooh, this is a chunky boy. Let's see a difference. Ooh, it's more angular. Feels more angular. This feels like you can cut somebody. The old 2016. Can you spot the difference? Oh yeah, you can kind of tell a little bit. It's like kind of extended out here. This is even here. Put them side by side. Oh yeah, you can see it's a little bit bigger. Now I gotta set this all up. But yeah, let's look at the accessories real quick. Braided mag cables. Sweet. Charging cable. Kind of long. Ah, your screen is all messed up. No, I'm kidding. Sorry, guys. Look at that. That's pretty long. What the heck? Braided cable be like that. And the power brick. Sweet. I'm doing this one-handed. Be sure to drop a like for my one-handed unboxing skills. Wow, way smaller than the older one. The old one's over there plugged in. But yeah, wow, much smaller. Love that. Love that. I think that's pretty much it. And the stickers. Oh wait, what? Oh, black Apple stickers. Okay, that's nice. And the quick start guide, I'm guessing. And yeah, quick start guide, MagSafe 3, Touch ID. Ooh, Touch ID. My old one didn't have that. So yeah, guys, I think it's been 2016. Now it's 2024. This is the November 2023 model. So, you know, I was due for an upgrade. You know, 8 years, I believe. So, yeah, I'll do a kind of a comparison between the two in a later video. But this is just like a quick unboxing, just for you guys to see. How do I take? Oh, it's like parchment paper. Okay. I still can't get over the notch, but maybe I'll get used to it. I don't know. But because mine didn't have that. But I do love the smaller bezels. Holy moly. And I did get...
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Okay, thanks for interrupting my video. But anyways, make sure to hit the like for the unboxing. Quick little unboxing. Oh my god, this feels so premium. Can you imagine? I know I'm like in a privileged position right now, but like, can you imagine that feeling when you got a new laptop for school and like you just open it up for the first time, you click on the keys and you're just like, wow, it's amazing. I don't know, Apple knows how to... I use PC and Apple and Mac, so I'm familiar with the two, but nothing comes close to the build quality from Apple. I'm gonna be honest. Like, it's just, you get that experience with the unboxing and the stuff you get with it and the stickers and like, man, the premium feel. And it's been a while since I've upgraded, and like compared to this, it's like, it's kind of like, it feels flimsy. This feels like rigid, like it feels rugged. Like, it feels very solid compared to this. Maybe I'm just like used to this, but like, it's solid when you lift it up, but going down, it's like, it goes whoosh. But this is like all the way through. It's solid, very solid. Oh my god, I can't wait to use this. This is gonna be used for school, and I got Final Cut Pro for this and a couple other stuff. So I'll update you guys on the software and stuff like that. If you guys want that, just leave a comment. My other videos are coming soon for the mouse, for the final mouse. I do have my thoughts on that, and I'm gonna compare that to my Death Adder V3, which I love very much. But you're gonna have to stay tuned because I have some thoughts about that final mouse. Whew. Anyways, Mac, PC, Windows, amazing computers, right? Technology these days, amazing, beautiful. Toss a like, subscribe, and more videos on the way. And thank you guys for watching. And now I'm broke. So use my Amazon links down below so I can get a couple cents for every $10 you spend. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, please. Let's get this channel monetized finally so I can pay this off. But I really need this for school. This is going to my mom, so don't ask for like, oh, give away the old one. This is going to my mom because she's gonna do other stuff with this. She's gonna, you know, use it for work and stuff like that. And she's never had her own laptop. She's always been at the desktop, so she's gonna love this for, you know, web browsing and typing and stuff like this. And this will be used for, you know, editing and doing all that other stuff. This is going, I'm just going off on a tangent. Hit the like and leave a comment if you've gotten this far. I appreciate all the new subs and the new likes. Let me know what you guys want to see, man. I like reading the comments, especially the ones that offer, you know, criticism, like valid criticisms about the channel or like what they want to see. Just let me know. Sometimes I do miss it because there's like, you know, I'm like going through a lot of comments and stuff like that. And I'm also busy with the school. I'm almost done, but I'm busy with school and shit like that. Sorry for cussing. Sorry for cussing. All right. Catch you guys on the next one. Thank you guys for watching and listening. All right, peace.